Hey guys, my name is Shivaj Grover and welcome to my channel Paint 3D Tutorials. So in this tutorials. So in this video we learn on how to make an outro in Filmora 9. So let's move on to the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to the sample colors and select a white background from here and drag it to the timeline. And now after this is done, what you need to do is you need to go to the titles tab, and from the titles tab you need to select this default title because it's very easy to edit. So I'll drag this also to the timeline. Now double click on the default edit and go to the advanced option. But before going to the advanced option, erase this. After this is done, go to the advanced option. Now from here, what we need to do is we'll add a shape from here. So to add a shape, you need to click on add shape, and from here you can select any shape which you want. So I'll be selecting the rectangle. So after the rectangle is selected, I'll drag it till the corners. Now just now what I am doing is I am making a design for my outro. You can also make your own design. So now after this is done, what we'll do is we'll erase the text here. We'll change the color of the shape. So what I'll do is my outro will be more based on a blue color theme. So I'll select a blue color from here, which is this, and I'll decrease its opacity. Now after this is done, I'll add another shape to it. That is also the rectangle, and drag it till the corners. And I'll increase its opacity. And now what I'll do is I'll add another shape. But before adding another shape, I'll remove this text out here. Now I'll add another shape from here. That is also a rectangle, and I'll drag it till the corners. And I'll erase the text. So now after this is done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give an animation to all the three rectangles. So first I'll select this rectangle and give an animation to this. So I'll give it this up insert animation here. For the second one, I'll give it the down one, and for the third one, I'll give it again the up one. So now after this is done, what you need to do is you need to click on OK. Now after this is done, now I'll show you the preview for what we've made just now. So in the first part of our outro, we'll be having a thanks message. So what we'll do is we'll add another title here. So what I'll do is I'll go to the titles option, and from here I'll select a title. So for example, I'll take this title out here, and I'll double click on the title here, and I'll write here thanks for watching. And here also I'll add an animation to it. So for this, I'll take the typewriter and click on OK. So what you need to do is you now need to select the default title and the white title together. So I'll select this, I'll copy it, and I'll paste it again here. Now this pasted part will work as the second part of our outro, where we'll add the end screen which we have on YouTube, and we'll also give a message for like, share and subscribe. So now after copying this, what you need to do is you need to click on the default title and go to the advanced option. And now here I'll add another shape to it. So this shape will also be a rectangle, and for this I'll have a different color. And this rectangle will be for our end screen videos on YouTube. So I'll change its color. I'll keep its color as cyan. And now we'll add another shape for the subscribe end screen button. So that is a circle button. So I'll make it small, and then I'll paste it here, and I'll remove the text. Now after this is done, what you need to do is you need to Click on OK. Now what you need to do is you need to write a text out here. So we'll click on OK. We'll select a text from here. For example, I'll select this. I'll drag it to the timeline. Now after this is done, we'll make it a little bit small because it's quite big. We need just this part. So now what we'll do is we'll drag it here. We'll double click on this, and instead of your title here, we'll write like, share and subscribe. And we'll increase the size of the text box so as our text fits in here. So now I'll show you the preview of the outro. So this was a simple outro which we made on Filmora 9. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.